said, baby, what's your name? Are you new in this town? Since you walked in, things don't look the same. How about sticking around? The place was dark and a band played loud. His voice sounded kind of dry. He said, who's that guy with a funny smile? She said, he's just a friend of mine.